sugarcane station, we're off on a treat-filled celebration. Marshmallow steam puffs into the sky as gumdrop wheels go rolling by. Cupcake clouds and candy rain, rolling through the land of sugar and cane. Licorice tracks, a sweet refrain, all aboard the candy train. Of jelly bean flowers, through soda pop springs and sprinkle showers. Chocolate chip chimneys puff with delight as the candy rain falls soft and light. Cupcake clouds and candy rain, singing with the lollipops down sugar lane. Sticky sweet, we can't complain. Ride, ride on the candy train. The cookie conductor calls with a grin. Next stop, fudge falls, let's dive right in. We zoom through tunnels of taffy twist and wavy clouds made of lemon mist. Cupcake clouds and candy rain, merry as a caramel-colored train. Dreams come true, sweet and insane, on the magic ride through the candy domain.